The AZBESTPRO garden kneeler and seat combines a sturdy folding frame with a thickly cushioned surface, so you can garden in comfort whether you are kneeling or sitting. Its generously widened foam platform gives your knees and lower back noticeably better support than many narrow garden stools, especially during longer weeding or planting sessions. The heavy-duty metal structure and reinforced plastic contact points feel solid and stable on the ground, reducing the wobble and tipping that cheaper kneelers often suffer from. Thoughtful details like the textured foam surface and smooth edges make it comfortable to use with bare hands and knees, even when you are shifting positions frequently. The included large side pouches keep hand tools, seed packets, and gloves within easy reach, which is particularly helpful for gardeners who prefer not to get up and down repeatedly. Because it folds flat and has an attractive, gift-worthy design, this kneeler and seat works especially well as a practical present for gardening enthusiasts of many ages.